Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I do a lot of collabs because I love doing collabs. And I ordered some things for some collabs, and I have been opening and opening. I am so blessed. This, can't wait to see. Oh, I cut it. Just the packaging, not the fabric. Let's see. You know what? I'm just going to leave that wrapped up. As you can see, that is a good Wednesday Addams fabric. I'm going to need this for something that Tina at Tina's Reborns and I do. Once a month we do an American Girl collab on the 28th, and we have something planned for later this year. Actually, we pretty much have decided what we're doing every month this year. We think ahead. We think a lot ahead, and my calendar gets filled up really quick. This is for a different collab. These are, I've got a couple to, oh, this one is not for a collab. This one I paid more for. I bought one of those little shelves for the American Girl dolls, and I did not know that they had stands for these. And I started looking at American Girl dolls. These are the miniatures that had everything and are in really good shape that have just been displayed. And I ran across this one, and I had not seen it before. Look at this little stand. I just love it. I don't really like leg stands. I like the body stand, because your doll, when it's standing in there, if it's off center and it starts leaning, that's going to hurt your hips. That's how a lot of the 1972 Blythe dolls got ruined, because their plastic popped with their heavy head. It was too hard on with those stands. This is Melanie, or no, it's Melody.
Just like it says there.
There you go. From her time was 1963. Haven't read her full story. Look how nice this doll is. Oh, isn't that the cutest? Oh, look at the little shoes. Boy, she's just been displayed. I'm not gonna, sometimes they're too nice to give a bath. I'll wreck her up. But let's see her in her little stand. Darren's gonna try to duplicate these with the 3D printer, but I would like the waist hook, yeah. Oh, I like her. Oh, I like her a lot. All right, set her aside and get her on the stand, of which I don't know where I'm hanging it. And this one should be for some collabs that I am doing coming up with Joni's Doll Photography and Karen at Starts and Stitches. We have some miniature, boy, I like it when it's taped down and hard to get to. Some miniature American Girl dolls. And we're gonna do some different, I think we have three collabs set up. Look at this original couch. It's all cushy. This is an American Girl Julie couch for the little Julie, who's no longer in her outfit, and somebody gave her quite the do. We will change her up. And then there's a little Kirsten. These are the two dolls we'll be using in our collabs. She has her original shoes, but well, that's not hers. I'm betting that goes with that. Original shoes, but they don't match. But you know what? Darren makes some. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. Couple little girls.
There's a headband
young
still
girls.
in the package too.
Oh, look at that. Wonder, does anyone know if that's an original headband for these little dolls, or was that like Barbie or something? But look, yes, I have
Seems
a
American
little
Girl-ish.
headband. Yeah, it does,
Because
with
of
the
the stuff,
stars,
yeah.
yeah. But oh, I like this. I have some ideas of what I might do in our collab. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Do you have any of these miniature American Girl dolls that I have so fallen in love with? I love this. Wow. Very cool. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.